Hello everyone, this is UPSC 2023 Agriculture Optional Question Paper. So the question is, give an account of 7 different pairs of contrasting characters whose inheritance was studied by the Mendel in the Garden P. Give the reasons for the Mendel success in the study. So this is of 20 marks question. So what is the demand of the question? First of all, we have to give an account of the 7 different pairs that were selected by the Mendel for the experiment of Garden P, and then we have to give the reasons that why his experiment was successful. So the Gregor Mendel, also called the father of the genetics, selected 7 pairs of contrasting characters. Each was controlled by a single gene with 2 alternate forms, that is alleles. So these are the 7 characters that the Gregor Mendel has selected for his experiment. So first is seed shape. It has 2 different alleles, that is round versus wrinkled. Then seed color, yellow versus green. Cotyledon color, yellow versus green. Flower color, violet versus white. Flower position, axial versus terminal. Pod shape, inflated versus constricted. Pod color, green versus yellow. So these are the 7 characters. So these clear, easily distinguishable traits helped him follow the inheritance pattern across generations. From his hybridization experiments, Mendel formulated the laws of inheritance. So these are the laws of inheritance that the Mendel concluded from his experiments based on the 7 characters. So first is the law of dominance. In this, one trait of pair is dominant over the other. For example, here the seed shape. In this, the round character is dominant over the wrinkled. Similarly, in the seed color, yellow is dominant over the green. So all these characters, they are dominant and these are not dominant. The second law is law of segregation. Here the alleles separate during the gamete formation without blending. So like suppose example seed shape round versus wrinkled. So one character will go into the gamete formation without blending. Then law of independent assortment. Here the traits are inherited independently when genes are located on the different chromosomes. So these are the 3 laws that Gregor has given. Now, what are the reasons for Mendel's success? Number 1 is choice of organism. So the pea plants, they were easy to grow, they had short life cycle, they produced many seeds and allowed both self-pollination and cross-pollination. Then, clear contrasting traits. The 7 pairs of easily identifiable characters, they avoided the ambiguity. Then, large sample size. He grew thousands of plants which gave the reliable statistical data. Then mathematical approach, he was the first to apply the quantitative analysis and the probability in the biology. Then focus on 1 or 2 traits at a time helped him to interpret the results clearly before combining the traits. Then accurate record keeping. His systematic notes ensured the consistency. And then pure lines. He worked with the homozygous lines which ensures true inheritance patterns. So these were the reasons for his success in the experiment. Hence, Mendel's careful choice of the pea plant and scientific methodology enabled him to discover the basic principles of heredity which influenced all later research in the plant breeding and biology. So in this way, you can attempt this question. Thank you and keep watching my videos.